I think I can't say nothing. Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another RV tour. It is yours truly, it's Heidi here with RV Roadway of Calera in Opelika, Alabama. And today me and you are taking a look at the brand new Forest River. To be honest with you, that's probably somebody delivering DoorDash. Guarantee it. Well, I was right. That was, in fact, DoorDash. That was delivering probably some Chick-fil-A. And I find it ironic how my mic keeps dying, but we're not going to let it stop us. Take 500. Let's go check out this new 3250 Suite. Let's go. So now we're on the inside and I'm so happy about these upgrades for Cherokee. It has been a long time coming and man, it's looking good. I got the black roller shades down to keep out all the sun, but let me just tell you, the windows are massive. Matter of fact, I'm gonna open every single one of them up just so you can get an idea of how much sunshine you're gonna be getting in here on a normal sunny day. That just brightened this baby up a whole lot. Look at the windows, they're massive. This back one opens so you can get a nice breeze going on. These rear ones right here open, the ones that say exit. And then you got the big old side windows too. It looks absolutely amazing. Just imagine being at the lake or a beautiful campground and that is your view. Now, notice how I said blackout roller shades. Woohoo! They went away from the zebra shades and we actually got the blackout roller shades. Completely blocks out the sun. And if you're from Alabama or Texas or anywhere where you have to deal with this atrocious heat, you can appreciate that, I'm sure. Now, closing them all back and leaving just that rear one open, let's get into the living area slide out. So we got a new table mechanism for the year 2025. We got hidden storage, which I guess it's not really hidden if there's a big handle right there to pull it open, but you could put card games in here. I mean, you could literally, this could be your forks and knives and spoons drawer if you wanted it to. Unlimited options there. You got a removable ottoman right here. You could sit and eat. You could put it over there to prop your feet up when you're sitting on that couch. You got two removable chairs right here. So right here, you got the Michael K movie theater collection and it's looking real nice. I love the brown leather. These do fold out, kick back and recline directly across from your smart TV. You do got a tri-fold sofa right here. You got built-in end tables. It's got your 110 outlets. You got your USB and your USB-C for phone charging, tablet charging, laptop, whatever. And you still get that storage above. And notice how now they've kind of gone away from the puck lights and throughout the whole rig, you get these LED strips. And I love it. It really lights it up in here. Once again with a Sansu Smart TV. Here's your GFCI outlet right here, USB, USB-C, a little place right here if you wanted to put the remotes. You got an electric fireplace that'll heat up to 300 square foot of this rig. And behind it, you have a hidden pantry. And this is my whole entire favorite part because look at the storage. You can put brooms, mops right here, canned goods right here, blankets, pillows, whatever you wanted to do. And it's got a built-in light too. So if it's nighttime, you can still see what's going on in here. Very nice. And when closing it back, just be very careful not to let it slam shut. You just got to walk it back. And do not forget to latch it before you go moving on down the road. That way it don't come open. Loving the new solid surface countertops and the cabinet colors. They look real nice. I love the white. Look at all the countertop space and the cabinet space you get. I mean, there's a total of 6 drawers right here. You got a built-in trash can right here, so you don't have to worry about hiding a trash can somewhere. More storage right here. And you even have a whole entire wall right here dedicated to coffee, dedicated to whatever accessories you have in your kitchen, whether it's air fryers, coffee machines, whatever it is. Even got a built-in wine rack right over there. And you even have a countertop extension right here that goes in and out so easily if you needed a little bit more prepping space. Pull out drawers. Not countertop space, get it together. Cabinet space. Of course, you still get the built-in road vac system, so easy to use. You kick this dust pan up like what they got in hair salons, and you can sweep up a mess within a matter of minutes. Now, we do got a Furrion refrigerator right here. Travel lock is built in. Pop that up, open it. Freezer on the left, refrigerator on the right. Of course, you already know that. And this is a residential style refrigerator. You even get the big Furrion microwave, and you even get a 3-burner cooktop with a bigger size oven than the previous year models. There's your 3-burner cooktop, Furrion microwave, and you get the Greystone oven. Pots and pans storage right here. Pull out storage. Oh, dang knees, don't be doing me like that. Built-in cup cleaner. You got a built-in cutting board, drying rack, other drying racks. Look at the texture of the sink. I love it. It is fancy. And you got the matte black high-rise pull-out faucet right here. You can spray away all your problems. Built-in shelving over here. If you had decorations you wanted to put right there, spices you wanted to put right there, and you even got built-in outlets right here into your island for kitchen accessories. There's one of your heat registers right there, so you have no heat registers in the floor. By the way, the new floor looks real good. Now, making our way up the steps, here's your control panel right here. Here's your AC. Oh, it's 60 degrees in here, guys. The AC is absolutely amazing. I've had it on for about an hour, and it went from like 89 to 60. Absolutely amazing. Hot water heater. Set your temperature right there. Here's where you can check the status of all of your tanks by simply pressing the button. If I want to check the battery, you can see it's full. Black tank should be empty. Black tank 2, gray 1 and 2. Turn your lights on and off right here, and you can even dim them like this. Boom, check it out. Absolutely amazing. Let your slides in and out, your awning in and out. Turn your water pump and water heater on. And going up the steps, this is what really amazed me, was the bathroom upgrades and the bedroom upgrades is simply outstanding. Look at this corner shower. I mean, it looks a lot bigger in person than what it does on camera. I can tell you that right now because I'm looking at it and it takes up like, it's just huge. It's just huge. Look at that. Nice shower head, and it still has the skylight. Got a little nice towel rack right there. Foot flush toilet, of course. Loving the new vanity. You can put linens right there. Look at your sink. Countertops look real good, and boom, boom, hidden medicine cabinet. Love it. It looks so good. And for somebody that freehands the phone, I think I'm pretty decent. You can have an entryway into your bedroom. Man, this is neat. I like this. Now, my favorite part about this whole entire thing is 1000% going to be this new King Master Suite. Let me turn the AC off because I don't want it to be too hard for you to be able to hear me. I think that's how you turn it off. Yeah, buddy. I just turned it off. King Master Suite. Look at this bed slide out. Look at the floor space in here. Absolutely phenomenal. Built-in outlets on both sides. Built-in shelves. You got window on top of window on top of window right here. Slide out fascias looking absolutely fancy. Hidden storage right here. Underneath your built-in table right here. End table, bed table, side table, whatever. Favorite thing about this right here, number two favorite thing. I'm gonna tell you my number one favorite. Number two favorite is you get a fireplace right here in your bedroom. It's like a mini fireplace. I love it. 2 built-in dressers right here. There's your fireplace controller. Looks real good. Big windows in here as well. And if you have not noticed already, for 2025, Alpha and Arctic Wolf's got a front windshield. Now, this is my #1 favorite space right here in this whole entire fifth wheel is going to be this little reading area, sitting area, thinking area, breathing area, reflection area, whatever you need at the moment's time. You have the option to just sit back and relax and think about what you just did. I'm just playing. All types of outlets over here. 110 outlets, USB, USB-C, same on this side. I even think that's a cigarette charger. I don't want to lie to you, but if it is, that's so random and cool. Built-in hanging space over here. It runs all the way, as you can tell, it's really deep, runs to the back, or I'm sorry, to the front cap. 1 hanging space. Here's the second one, and check this out. Here's another thing that's cool, is that you get a full body mirror right here, and I love it. You get some storage underneath, but if you slide it over, it is your washer dryer area. So it does not take away from anything that's going on. And if you don't need a washer and dryer, terrific, because you have a whole entire corner dedicated to just hanging your clothes. Nice. Oh, it's looking real good. And under bed storage, you already know. As far as under bed storage, here you have it. You have 3 places right here where you can put totes, suitcases, bags, whatever, right underneath your bed. And it's looking so good. Now, let's go explore the outside. Of course, you know, you still got the aluminum cage, vacuum bonded sidewall construction on this. Look at that front cap. It is looking phenomenal. So let's go over here and talk numbers before we do anything else. And I went to the wrong side. Okay, here it is. Whoa. Dry weight, you're looking at 9,750 pounds. Overall length is 36 foot, 1 pound as manufactured. Coming on over here. The combined weight of cargo should never exceed 2,252 pounds. GVWR is coming in at 12,040 pounds. Now, walking underneath the front cap, you have your spare tire, your battery disconnect, and your battery is housed right here, as well as your rich solar charge controller. That is 12 volt, by the way. Of course, you already know Arctic Wolf is going to have the juice pack solar power right here. And there's a sticker that verifies that right there. And check that out. Here's your water lines for easy access. Cable TV hookup with a GFCI outlet. Lots of space in here. There's that aluminum frame I was telling you about. You got some lights out here. If it's nighttime, you need to be able to see. Armored underbelly tank enclosure. So you do have a heated underbelly and it is enclosed. You got the nice solid steps with a nice G-glass safety tinted glass door. It is prepped for a camera up there if you wanted to be able to see what's going on at your camper while you're away. And you got an awning right here too with a nice LED strip. I got that on and out for you. Let you see how much it covers. Boom, check it out. Massive windows, of course, going all around. Dual axle. And taking a look underneath here, you got the 3.0 Lippert ground control. Coming around on the rear, quick LP connect right here. Boom. It is prepped for a backup camera. Does not come with it, but you can purchase that and slap it on, and it's prepped for that rear Lippert ladder if you wanted that. Here's your accessory hitch. You put generators, coolers, bikes back here. And then coming around on your not camp side, your not camp, your non-camp, this is going to be a 50 amp unit. 2 slides on your non-camp side. There's your water heater right here. Boom.
Miss Heidi.
Absolutely. Have a great day. Wastewater holding tanks. Ain't they so sweet? That was some customers that came in because they seen a funny video of mine. Sewer outlet connection, galley tank. Sewage holding tank. Freshwater drain. Here's one spot for a propane bottle and the other one is going to be on the opposite side. Check it out. All right. What do you guys think of the new 2025 Arctic Wolf? I'm going to tell you what, I love it. I just flat out love it. I really do, and I ain't even lying to you. I wouldn't lie to you. I'm telling you the truth. They needed this update, and I love it. You got the Lippert Rhino pen box up front. It's looking real good. Once again, this is the 2025 Cherokee Arctic Wolf Suite. $32.50, looking beautiful, as always. Love it. Love it. Boom. And you already know, if you was to purchase one of these, Forest River donates to the Care Camp Funds that's fighting cancer. So that's another reason that you should buy a Forest River product, especially a Cherokee Arctic Wolf. So, located and available at RV Roadway in Calera and Opelika, Alabama. Let me know what you guys think. I'm so intrigued to know. If you want to have a further deeper dive into this unit, you can visit rvroadway.com. You can type in 3250 and the one in Calera and Opelika will pop up as long as they're available. And it is time for you and your family to take life on the road. And until next time, guys, we'll see you then. Thank you so much for watching.